Hi, I'm Ken. This is my son Mike. We'd like to tell you a little bit about the Appels. After buying a new home and itemizing the equipment and putting an engineering review on each thing, I had noticed an Appel sticker on my boiler, which made very good sense as an engineer when I had troubles with my boiler to give Appel a call. They did such a good job in their service and maintenance that it was something like 20 years later, it wasn't Appel that sold me on a new furnace, it was my wife that mandated a new, more efficient unit. Ken Appel says you don't need one. He said, yeah, more efficiency, it'll probably save you money, but you wouldn't need one. Since I've always been happy with Appel, 3 years ago, my son called and said that he was looking at houses. It took him a little while to find his ideal home. He finally found an older home that needed some HVAC work on it. It's very obvious to me, as an engineer who I'd recommend. I recommended Ken.
Without hesitation, he said, I think you should give Ken a call. When I called, I asked for Ken. Scott showed up, and I was pleasantly surprised to learn that he was every bit the efficient and honest person I'd been led to believe that the Appel team would present. I obviously did my due diligence as an attorney, checked the prices and made sure that everything checked out, and of course it did. But the thing that sold me was the service. I knew when I dealt with Scott that he was going to be an honest, forthright individual with which to deal. I intend to live in this house for the next 50 years, and dealing with a younger generation of Appel gave me a comfort level that Scott would be there for the next 50 years. And if I had a problem, I knew I had somebody I could deal with personally. From one father and son team that's used the Appel Heating and Cooling company for 30 plus years, the fact that they've been around for 60 years is not surprising. I'm confident they'll be around for 60 more and be able to serve your family's needs for the foreseeable future.